Hi everyone, and welcome to Co-op 101. And we know that Co-op 101 answers the question how do you present your professional image? We're looking at our professional image. We're also exploring the careers that we have chosen. Some of us already figured out what we're going to be doing, and some of us still need to do a little more exploring. All right. So as you can see, I've made the website, the Blackboard site, available. Make sure you realize that you are in Co-op 101. This is the first time that we've had such a very large class. We have over 20 students, so this is very good. Obviously, one of the reasons that makes this class so attractive, or this section so attractive, is the fact that it's online, totally online. All right, so there's information, all right, about being in an online course. A good number of you have used Blackboard. Your faculty have used Blackboard in posting your syllabus and posting the assignments. All right, but a totally online course is completely different than being a hybrid or a face-to-face class. So make sure you read through expectations in an asynchronous online section, course facts that you need to look at. Let's take a look at the syllabus. What does this course entail? And this course, it's online, it's only 1 credit. So quite obviously, ladies and gentlemen, we're not looking at something that's very profound and deep. So obviously everyone should get an A in this class with no problem. Okay, all you have to do is complete the assignments. All right, this all gives you more information. You'll notice that your grades are based on the workshops, e-portfolio, and writing assignments. And your final project is your e-portfolio presentation. So it's not difficult. Okay, here are the grades. There is no incomplete for this course. You either did the work or you didn't do the work. And your grades are based on the Hostos grading system. Right, there's no R. Dress requirement. You are expected when you are presenting to be dressed professionally. And if you take a look at in course information, what I expect by professional, all right, dress requirements for both male and female. Okay. Each student must be dressed in a professional business attire. Men wear a complete business suit with jacket and tie. Women an appropriate business-like dress or a business suit such as a skirt, blouse, and jacket. No pantsuits. If you have any problems, please make sure you see me immediately. But you will be doing your final presentation as well as a mock interview. All right. I want to show you the folks who are teaching this class. Even though I'm your official teacher, okay? My picture didn't come up. I'm sorry about that, so I'll make sure that that's taken care of. All right, so in addition to my being your faculty member for the grading of this class and helping you with your e-portfolio, you also have the staff from Career Services, and I did ask them to post their picture, so by the time you see this, their pictures, Miss Yvonne Ibelli, Miss Lisa Net Rosario, Ms. Dulce Toppenberg, and some of the other staff members who will be working with you. Their pictures will also be up on the site. All right, so I look forward to working with all of you. However, they will be working directly with you. Instead of calling this assignments, ladies and gentlemen, we're calling this lecture series. And so we have our introductory assignments. Okay, that's starting tomorrow, and it's going to be due next Monday. Obviously, I'm creating this on Sunday so that it's ready for Monday. All right, you'll have to click into the Are You Ready video. Make sure that that's completed. Introduce yourself in the discussion board. Remember, we are a community. All right, and so introducing yourself, I have a little voice thread, so you get to see my picture. All right, and this is due by February 5th. The voice thread was not working too well. I'm going to just try it, see what happens. It might be working a lot better now, but if not, I'm going to put an announcement on the website. Okay, let's go back to assignments, or to the lecture series. So the first assignment, the introductory assignment, is to introduce yourself. Okay, the second thing that you're going to do is to go into the career cruising career assessment, okay, and create an avatar. All right, that's the little picture that you see up here. Here's my little avatar, so that each time you send an email, each time that you go into Blackboard, all of us will be able to see who you are. Now, before you get excited and say, well, I don't want people to know who I am and all of this, remember, this Blackboard course is open only to the students in this class. No one else can see this. But if you're still feeling edgy and a little hyper about it, then instead of giving us a picture of yourself, give us something that sort of represents who you are, a flower, map of your country, whatever makes you comfortable, okay? But we need to see something that differentiates you. Ideally, it would be a picture, because when you're in the classroom, you don't hide your face, but I could understand where some people would be a little bit squeamish about introducing themselves in the online environment. All right, these introductory assignments are due by February 5th, which is next Monday. Ordinarily, I post the assignments, or the staff will post the assignments on Sunday night or Monday morning, so that you will have it ready, so that you can begin. You have a week for each of the assignments, and these assignments are not difficult, and you'll have your e-portfolio, the draft of your e-portfolio. You'll see the date for that, so you have some time. All right, but for the orientation for this week, just making sure that you're comfortable with the online environment. There may be some of you who have never been in an online course, and so this is very new to you. So I want you to make sure that you're all very comfortable. Any questions, please make sure that you email me at my email address, as you will see. You also have access to my cell phone number, and you also have access to my Skype address. All right, I prefer that you text me if you're going to use my cell phone, because it's obvious if I'm teaching, I'm not going to answer your phone. And sometimes I'm on the subway going to a meeting, so it's a lot easier to respond to you through a text if I'm in an area or a situation that I can't use the phone to call you. All right, this is a little bit about who I am. Okay, so just when you make your introductory video, remember it's going to go up on your e-portfolio, so make sure it's formal. It doesn't have to be in a suit or anything, but something that you are going to feel comfortable. One semester I had a student make her introductory video with pajamas on. Quite obviously that was not appropriate. So at any rate, I look forward to working with all of you. Any questions that you may have, by all means, please email me. Okay, there's my email address, or text me. All right. Thank you all very much, and all the best to you. Take care, and I pray that you had an enjoyable semester break. Take care, ladies and gentlemen. Talk to you soon.